Hello everybody. Today I'm going to give you some tip which is very important for us. Indeed, it is a source of energy for us in our lives. You may be wondering what I am referring to. It's a very simple aspect which plays a very important role in life. I am referring to something called appreciation. Now what happens when you appreciate? Well, there are a lot of outcomes when you appreciate others. Please understand, when you appreciate, you are making the other person happy. Now understand, if you depreciate someone, how would he or she feel? Let me narrate a beautiful story to you. Once in Jerusalem, a donkey was dead. Many people were making negative comments about the donkey. One person in the crowd looked at the donkey's face and commented and said, "Oh, look how beautiful the teeth of the donkey is even in its death. He was none other than Jesus Christ." On Facebook, you will find a lot of groups. Now, for example, is a group called Educated Mind. A person asks a question, what is Nepal famous for? Do you know the answers? There are a lot of people who say Nepal is famous for poverty, for drugs and servants. This is how they answer. Now, do you think this is the right way to answer a question? Well, if I were to be in that person's place, I would have said Nepal is famous for beautiful people, they are very sociable and they are also hardworking. This is the way we have to appreciate and not depreciate. I will definitely not endorse a negative attitude. Instead, we can make positive statements, we can appreciate people and make people happy. I come across a lot of people who are fond of putting down others and making a mockery of others. There are a lot of people in the world today. I really do not know what they get out of this. On the other side, if they appreciate, this world would be a better place to live in. Always remember, before we point out to the others, remember these three fingers are pointing at us. What does that indicate? That I am not perfect to judge others. Before we complain about the snow on our neighbor's roof, we have to first see the snow on our own roof. Instead of complaining, what we can do instead is look at the snow on the neighbor's house and say, "Oh, how good it looks." Let us make appreciating a way of life, as it makes a lot of difference not only for us but for the others as well. As we come to the end of the session, let me give you a small example. A friend of yours purchases a car and he asks you to comment about it. What would you do? Just tell him, the car looks beautiful, you have made a very good choice and it's a very nice car. People who are negative do not realize how much of damage they are doing to themselves as well as the others. Let us learn to be positive in our thoughts, words and deeds. Let us also make appreciating others a way of life. Do it and then see the difference. We thank you very much for viewing this presentation. I hope it helps you in one way or the other. Let's spread the good word about appreciation and make this world a better place to live in. Thank you very much once again for being with us.